Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on LOKA. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you a huge breakout that was happened on the weekly time frame chart from a very big falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, it is still struggling to break the next long-term resistance of 31.5 cents. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signals for LOKA, and this move has produced almost 34% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video description I shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for LOKA that I shared on 4th of November 2023 with my members in the last month. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that LOKA formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone, and this was the sell target zone, and below 21.24 cents was the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was almost 34% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LOKA, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after March 2022, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern when we found the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern here. And then we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, and another bounce here. And finally, we broke out here in the month of October 2023 after testing this long-term support of 16.9 cents. You can see for several weeks, it has been testing this support. And now for the past several weeks, it is struggling to break out this next resistance of 31.5 cents that has been breaking as a resistance here. You can see we got rejection here. Then again, we got rejection here. And now again, price line is very close to hit this resistance. And after that, the next major resistance will be here. That is at 50 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this resistance, then here 50 cents level has been breaking as a strong support in the month of June 2022, in the month of August 2022. And after the breakdown, you can see it was flipped into a resistance. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $5.60 to $6. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.